Subject Irrigation Engineering, chapter Irrigation Efficiencies, topic Most Expected Questions for GATE on Irrigation Efficiencies. Now students, I have taught you about the irrigation efficiencies. We have also solved a normal lot of numericals also, right, which I think were able to clear your concepts more. Now let us understand what are various types of, you can say, most expected questions that can be asked from the irrigation efficiencies. So first, there can be any theoretical question, right? Now you must be thinking that okay, theoretical questions will be very easy, I will be able to answer, but I am again telling you, right, because irrigation efficiencies is a very, you can say, a very confusing topic for a lot of students, right? They find it very difficult. They do not know what was there in the numerator, what was there in the denominator. So whatever I have told you, you again revise, and then you will be able to answer any theoretical question, whether in GATE or any other examination. Okay. The another important thing, there can be mixed numerical. For example, the previous year GATE question which came in 2010, which we just solved now before this video lecture, right? It was a mixed numerical. So it also had conceptive use, it also had the use of application efficiency, it also had the use of discharge capacity, right? So a few concepts were used in the previous question. So similar questions can be asked, right? And it has been found that in GATE examination, direct questions from irrigation efficiencies are not coming. So there will be a numerical, and numerical will be mentioned to you that the irrigation efficiency is this, or the application efficiency, or the discharge efficiency, or whatever, right? So different types of efficiencies are generally mentioned, right? Now if direct question comes from irrigation efficiency, if direct question comes, then what I feel is that question on the uniformity coefficients can be asked, right? So what is the neta D, that is the water distribution efficiency, is also known as the uniformity coefficient. It is actually equal to 1 minus y by d, right? Where d is the mean discharge or mean irrigation depth, right? And y is the deviation from the mean. Okay, how to calculate y I have already told you, right? So I would recommend you to solve 2 or 3 numericals. Somehow you find some numericals from internet or from anywhere and solve 2 or 3 numericals based on this, that is the uniformity coefficient. You will be able to answer any question which comes on this topic. Okay. So now let's move forward to the next topic and understand further the irrigation engineering part. Thank you.